All right. Good evening, everybody. I'm just going to do a really quick video. I know a while back I told you guys I was going to show you about some online opportunities where you have the opportunity to earn online for little to no money at all. So this particular program here is called Level Rewards. Level Rewards has been around for years, so it is definitely a trusted company that pays out. And I'm going to show you exactly how you get paid out. You basically get paid for trying new offers and doing surveys and things like that. So I'm going to log in and kind of walk you through how this all gets started. Before we get started, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and also hit the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And if you've already subscribed, thank you very much. I appreciate you. All right, so the way that you get paid with level rewards is you actually get paid for each level that your referral goes up. So for each of these opportunities down here, and these are things that, everyday products, trusted products that we all know. Now you have to be a first time subscriber in order to get credit for these. So you will actually have your people, you'll complete some offers yourself. And each offer that you complete, you get credit based on this. So say for instance, 425, 4.25, 0.50 to 2.50, 5.50. So let's go up here. So for every credit that is completed, you get $5 worth. So I'm on level 12. So I have the ability to earn up to $60 per referral, which that means that any of my referrals or anybody that signs up under me that makes it to level 12, I'll get paid up to $60. And this can continue to grow and grow on up to 20, 30, however many levels, however long you choose to do it. But these are some of the products down here. LifeLock, the way that that's going to start, you'll get a trial for it. It's $8.99. It's suggested that you keep the trial, for about 97% of the time. So if it's a 30-day trial, you want to keep it for about 27 days before you cancel if you choose to do so, or just keep it if it's something that you see you need and you actually like. So same thing here with Hulu Plus. It's $5.99. I believe that gets you a 30-day um, subscription and a trial, so you can actually try it out and see if you like movies. But then there's some other ones here that are like $1, for credit score, Experian credit reports. And there's some that are less um, credit value here. This one is a free savings account. So if you actually open up an account, it'll be free. This one right here for children's books, it's like $1. You just pay for shipping and handling. And it credits you one credit that'll give you $5 per referral, the ability to earn that. Then there's also this LinkedIn Learning. This one right here is a free trial, gives you 0.75. So anytime you see something like 0.75, then you will need something with a 0.25. Say for instance, this one up here, Sirius XM gives you 4.25, so that'll be 4 credits. And then something down here, like LinkedIn, will give you 0.75, which will give you a total of 5. So 5 times 5 is $25. So you'll be at level 5, and anybody that comes up under you that makes it to level 5, you'll be able to receive $25 off of them. So these are some of the products here: Open Care, Waldo, eFax, Super Chewer, got coffee here. Just a variety of different things, and then there's some surveys in there. And like I said, they're constantly adding new offers, so you want to check back and continue to level up so that you have the potential to earn more from all of your referrals that continue to level up too. So once you get a referral, I'll actually be dropping my link down. So if you want to get started, I'll actually walk you through and add you to our Facebook group so that you will have access to the ads that we post on social media, as well as training, so you won't be left in the dark. And this is the same things that you'll be passing on to your referrals so that you can duplicate the process. So very simple. We get paid daily, and it goes straight to your PayPal account. Now, I will say sometimes these offers are unavailable at a certain time once all the free offers have been given out or all the trials have been given out. So you want to get in and get in early. Also, you want to set your team up so that once they sign up under you, they go ahead and start leveling up right away. Also, as a bonus, for every referral that makes it to level 5 on day 1, you'll receive a free bonus level. So if they make it to 5, you'll actually bump up to um, uh, be paid for up to level 6 for them. So instead of $25 per referral, you'll make it $30 for that referral. So that's about it, guys. I mean, this one right here is really simple. Like I said, it's a great low cost and freebie way to start earning online if you want to see if this is actually for you. So that's all I got for today. If anybody has any questions, I'll put my contact information in the description as well as my link. And once again, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you got some value out of this, and be sure to hit the red bell so you get notified when I post new videos. All right, guys, have a good night.